We left Phuket and headed north. Suddenly, no air conditioning. Myanmar didn't let us in. And then we found this, one of the cleanest beaches we have seen in Thailand. Near Pattaya, we spent 2 nights in a small naturist resort. We found an extremely competent workshop.
Thank you very much.
This is Overlanding Thailand, Episode 2. We left Phuket, direction Myanmar. Leaving Phuket!
Bye bye Phuket! Autobahn? Can you say it in German?
Thailand Autobahn.
Looking for a wild camp. So, your destination is on the left.
Hot springs in Thailand.
We are here.
A very quiet place.
I bet it's really hot. I just tasted it.
Suddenly, no air conditioning. Driving without air conditioning is brutal in Thailand.
No AC. Oh, he's jumping off. He's hanging off. Just your typical load there. It's not even overloaded really compared to others. On both sides. That monkey looks so angry. It's a nice beach.
We didn't expect much, but this felt different.
What do you think about that?
Theoretically, we could stay here.
Yeah. I think it's good, honey.
Almost no tourists, no noise, just the sea. Places like this becoming rare. Simple, easy, quiet, exactly what we needed. So far, one of our favorite places in Thailand. After 2 quiet nights, we continue north. Driving in Bangkok was a nightmare.
I've checked the street view and the whole big area is closed off. Guys, with no air conditioning, it's no joke. It's so hot, I'm sweating so much. It's humid. Yeah.
It's okay.
I don't know exactly what you're talking about.
Thailand changed quickly.
First time filling water in Thailand. Did you take a shower, baby?
Yeah. Myanmar don't want us. They didn't let us in. We had to change our plans. We spent another night on an empty beach. So much plastic. Off we go.
Pineapple farms.
On the road, everyone has been very friendly.
We managed to do an on-the-road meet-up with other Overlanders. It's a bit tight.
Overlander camp in Pattaya. It works, but it is tight for a truck like ours. A small naturist resort near Pattaya. We decided to slow down again. A peaceful place to recharge. We made it YouTube friendly. That's the bathroom.
Nice view.
Saraburi was not just another stop.
Wasn't the second one a Muslim?
We came here for service and to fix the air conditioning.
They're all taking a bow. And this is just a quarter of the workshop.
This workshop is specialized to repair UNIMOGs and the Mercedes Actros for the Thai Army.
U323.
They have repaired our handbrake and adjusted our rear brakes. They have repaired our air conditioner. Thanks God for that. Happy?
Wow. Come
Thank you so much.
Welcome to Thailand. Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's been amazing. Yeah, very special stay for us, and thank you for all the help.
And finally, they tainted our windows. That was since a long time on the wish list. After the repairs, we could finally relax. Thailand tested us again and rewarded us. Next, we head north, Chiang Mai and Sukhothai, the old capital of Thailand, and then the Laos border. Thanks for being here with us.